We recently renovated this awesome 2018 Keystone Springdale Summerland Series 2960 travel trailer.
This camper has a large power awning and power stabilizers.
Look at all of the storage outside with a big pass-through in front and even bigger one in back, as well as this awesome large garage in the rear.
When you go inside, you'll find a modern farmhouse vibe with bright white walls, stained wood accents, board and batten, and shiplap throughout.
There's a large super slide with a stylish and comfy couch and plenty of room to kick back and relax.
Also in the slide is a large custom banquette that not only has enough room for everyone to eat up to, but features storage in the benches. There's plenty of room to add more chairs around the table too.
And my favorite, on those chilly days, you'll be able to cozy up by the fireplace that not only looks great, but kicks off heat too. Shelves and cabinets surround the entertainment and fireplace wall, and there's even newly added USB plugs to charge your devices with.
The kitchen design fits right in with open uppers, a shiplap backsplash, and beautifully stained counters and a shelf.
There are lots of character and layers of design throughout this awesome rig.
The bunkhouse is smartly designed with 2 full-size bunks. A large closet will fit all the kids' clothes, and the rest of their bring-along items will fit nicely either on the large nightstands or in the big compartments at the end of each bed.
The style continues throughout the bath, where there's an awesome vessel sink, shiplap, and black fixtures, and there's also both an indoor and an outdoor shower in this rig.
But the bedroom at the front of the camper is where you'll find the tranquil retreat. 2 closets and storage under and above the bed will fit everything you need on your adventures.
We're super happy with how this 2018 Keystone Springdale Summerland Series travel trailer turned out, and we think it would be great for full or part-time travel.
Happy camping!